Welcome, pre-cal students, to class today on this Friday the 2nd. Hope you guys are doing well today. And I'm excited like you are. We have a 3-day weekend coming up, so I know you're looking forward to that. So I hope you guys have a good weekend, and let's finish the week well. Let's work hard today. And here we go. All right. Let's see if I can get this to work here. All right. There will be a test on Friday, okay? Please don't forget that. Test on Friday. At this time, please turn in Wednesday's assignment, okay? Remember, I gave it to you Wednesday, and I gave you an extra day to work on it yesterday. So please make sure you turn that in. Make sure your name is on it. So pause. Make sure your name is on it, and go ahead and turn that in now. Incomplete. Let's see what we have here real quick. Let's see. Pre-cal incomplete. Henry, your quiz. I did ask you to try to take that by today, if at all possible. So please try to take that today. It is the factoring quiz, and so let me know if there's a problem there. Okay. If you're not ready for it, just let me know. All right. Now today we're going to go over your quizzes from Wednesday. We're going to take notes, and we're going to work on homework. The video today is about trig identities. Now listen to me. You will use trig identities for the rest of the time that we are in trigonometry. So probably the rest of the semester. Okay? Let me give you an example of a trig identity. All right? Well, first of all, you need to start now a trig identity sheet. I'm using the mouse. This will be a little sloppy, but a trig identity cheat sheet. Okay? You're allowed to have these for tests and quizzes. I'm not going to ask you to memorize these because we're going to learn a lot of them. Like here's one. Tangent of an angle equals sine over cosine. That's a trig identity. Here's another one. Sine squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta equals 1. So we're going to be learning a bunch of trig identities, okay, throughout the semester. You'll learn different ones on different days. They get pretty complex toward the end. In fact, they get very complex toward the end. Sorry for yawning. But anyways, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to start looking at trig identities today. The teaching video is called Trig Identities. It's about 35 minutes long. The homework that is due Tuesday, remember there's no class on Monday, is right there, okay? Now for numbers 27 through 31 odd, you are to do A, B, C, and D for each prop. You'll see it's not that bad, trust me, okay? The homework video is only about 17 minutes long, so it's not that bad, okay? Okay, let's go over your quizzes from Wednesday, all right? Now, here are the stats. Each mistake was 5 points off. Each mistake was 5 points off, okay? So check my work. Make sure that I didn't make a mistake. And there were 2 100s, so Jacob and Harrison, congratulations for the highest grade in the class. Good job. 100s for Jacob and Harrison. Okay, so good job there. All right, let's take a look at your quizzes here real quick. Now, on these problems here, I don't think anybody missed. Yeah, no one missed. Well, yeah, number 3. Okay, guys, listen carefully, please. One student missed number 3. I try not to embarrass students. Would you please listen to me so I can show you what you did wrong? Let me show you what you did wrong, okay? I'm not going to use all of the words. Like the formula I gave you was like this. I think it was S over R or something like that. I'm just going to put the angle equals the arc over the radius, okay? Now, the person that missed number 3, you made one little mistake. Let me help you. Watch this, okay? For the angle, notice on number 3, I did not have degrees. So that means it's already in radians, so we're good. So you put a 1.4 here, and that's right. And then for the arc, we put 8. And then for radius, that's what we're looking for. Find the radius. You put an X or R, whatever. Now you did all of this, but then notice what you did. It's kind of funny. You multiplied both sides by 8. Now hold it. You always want to multiply both sides by the denominator to get rid of your fraction, okay? So I'm going to multiply everything by R. R times 1.4 is 1.4R. You don't multiply 8 by 8. 8's the numerator. You multiply by R because R is the denominator. Now, R times 1.4 is 1.4R. R times 8 over R, your R's would cancel, leaving you with 8. And then you divide both sides by 1.4, okay? And if you do that correctly, you will get the answer of 5.7, okay? That's the only thing that you did wrong on number 3, all right? Now let's take a look at number 4. Everything else, y'all did really well in this quiz. I was very pleased. Okay, number 4. Now, I'm not sure what happened here, but there was one person that missed number 4. Now, if you'll look down below, and only you can tell me what you did, okay? Down below in your work, you had this answer here. If you'll look, you'll see that, okay? And that's the right answer. Good job. But I have to go with what you put in the answer blank, and you had something like, it was like 3,807.3 degrees, I think. Now, if you want to email me, I'm not sure what you did there, but this is the correct answer, and you're looking for a missing angle right here, and it's cosine. So all that you would have to do is make sure you're in degrees, because I've asked for your answer to be in degrees, and then you would hit cosine -1 with your calculator, and then type in 0.3995, and then hit enter. That's all you have to do. And if you do that, you will get 66.45 degrees. And that's all you had to do. All right? All right. And then lastly, 2 of you on number 5 made the exact same mistake, and it's a very reasonable mistake. I asked for your answer to be in radians, okay? So on this problem, the 2 guys that missed this problem, I just took 1 point off. You guys did really well. You did all the hard work with the calculator, and you came up with this. But if you'll look, go ahead and try it again, guys. You did all the hard work with the calculator, but your calculator was in the degree mode. So this is degrees. Now you have 2 choices here. Before you started this problem, you could have went to the mode button and put your calculator in radians. And then, when you did all the calculator work, this would have popped out right here. Okay? Or you can take your degrees, okay? And remember, how do you convert that to radians? You always multiply it by what? Pi over 180. If you'll take your calculator and multiply this number here times 3.14, enter, divided by 180, enter, you'll get this number too. So you had your answer in degrees, but I wanted your answer in radians, okay? Look, guys, if you have any questions at all, never hesitate to contact me, okay? That's all for today, guys. Please get to work on your notes and homework. Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions.